This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school restrictions on Windows 10. First, always understand the potential legal and ethical implications of altering device settings. It is crucial to have proper administrative access to your computer before proceeding with any changes. We strongly recommend creating a full backup of all your important data. This step helps prevent any accidental loss during the process. Taking these initial precautions can save you significant trouble later on. To begin the process, you must first disconnect your device from any network managed by your school or institution. Navigate to your Windows settings, then find the Network and Internet section. From there, locate the Wi-Fi tab and carefully forget any wireless networks associated with your school. This step ensures that your device is no longer receiving centralized management commands. It is a fundamental first step toward gaining more control over your personal settings. Next, we will focus on identifying and removing any management software installed by your institution. Open Windows Settings, then click on Apps, followed by Apps and Features. Carefully scroll through the list of installed programs and look for anything unfamiliar or directly related to device management. You might find applications with names like MDM Client or Device Policy Manager. Select these applications and choose to uninstall them one by one. This action removes the software enforcing restrictions. For advanced users, consider switching your Windows account to a local user account if your system permits it. This can sometimes bypass certain cloud-based restrictions. When dealing with the Windows registry, proceed with extreme caution as incorrect changes can seriously harm your operating system. Navigate to the registry editor by typing regedit in the search bar. Always create a backup of your registry before making any edits. If you are ever unsure, it is best to consult with a qualified professional to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.